Welcome back to our second video in our mini-series about GoDaddy's website builder version 7. Again, my name is Ryan Estrada and I'm the owner and operator of Red Elite IT Consulting and Video Production. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the issues that I had when I first started using Website Builder. And it was a pretty big one, pretty devastating at first. And you guys have probably read about it online if you've been doing any research about the Website Builder. So let's get into it. You're going to see here on my front page that I have a lot of different text here. So I have my video service and technology services, and the same with my About Us page. Now, as with anyone else that would be making a website, you put a lot of time into what you want on your website, the text you want, what you want it to say, how you want it to come across to people. It's really important stuff. The Website Builder actually has this great feature, which is it auto-saves. It's right up here. You can manually save too. If you've had any experience with any other website builders or WordPress, for example, like I was using, when you make a change, it keeps a backlog and you can always recover that page at any time. That's pretty important, especially if something happens. Well, in my case, something happened. I spent about 4 hours typing some different text on my website and doing some different pages, saving the whole while. Well, next thing you know, I went to go click right up here at preview, and I preview it, and all of my text is gone. All that's left was the placeholder. Here it stayed. That's great, but there's reason for that. So, of course, being rather frustrated with it, I went ahead and called GoDaddy. They give them a call, see if maybe they can recover it, maybe they can see it on the back end. They can't. That's really important. In this instance, they could not recover it. Based off of this save, it does not log for them. So I found out that although Website Builder has on their website here that Safari and Internet Explorer meet the system requirements for Website Builder, they aren't recommended to be used. And that's a pretty big thing. Internet Explorer being Windows primary browser and Safari being Mac's primary browser, that's pretty large, and I was using Safari. So what they suggested to use is Mozilla Firefox or Chrome. But I'm really cautious now. As you learn in all of the technology world, when you get into computers, servers, anything like that, redundancy can be key. So I prefer to have multiple backups of everything. So even if that save appears to be working, I don't want it to bite me in the butt later, right? So there's another piece to this puzzle. Now, up here, you'll go ahead and take a look. So if I make a save, I can change this, do whatever I need to do, and I'm going to save it again up here. I always click that save every couple minutes as if I'm typing a document. Well, there's another thing. If I go over here to the lines to manage site settings, you're going to see mine automatically pops up on it, but generally you're going to start up over here at site info. Once you're here, you have general settings, search engines, backup/restore. You can actually create a backup. Now this is like other website builders or WordPress. You can actually go here, and now something to keep in mind, fives backups are all you can do for manual backups. And that's really important because you can't just keep it going forever like WordPress can. That's a downside. However, I save so often and I'm not looking to go backwards because I'm just creating my site that this works for me. So what I'll do after I make a change like that, I'll go, okay, well 16 hours ago I made a change. I don't need that anymore because I have another one that I made minutes afterwards. Because like I said, every couple minutes, I typically am saving or creating a backup. So once I go here, I can delete backup and then create backup. So I have my now, click OK. And now I'm back here. And now I know that if everything's gone one time when I go to the preview or I log in one day and it's gone, I can simply go right back up here, the website manager, go into site settings, click on now, and I can either edit the backup or I can restore from the backup. And that's really big. Being able to restore from my backup has kind of given me the peace of mind. And now, ever since I went to Chrome, I haven't had any more issues. And you're going to notice that there's a lot of reviews online that are talking about this exact issue. I worked 4 hours on my website and it didn't save any of the changes. So, with what I just showed you, hopefully that's going to help. That's from what GoDaddy told me and from what I've learned on my own. And since that happened, I've been working on this website for about 2 weeks without an issue with losing my material, unless I lose my internet connection while working on my website. And that's to be said with anything. So thank you for tuning in for this episode. If you have more questions or comments, go ahead and post a comment below. And again, subscribe. There's going to be another video up soon, and that one's going to be talking about using the HTML code app inside the website builder for GoDaddy. Thank you guys, and have a great day.